Okay, guys. So we'll be looking at categories of these different problems like disorders, syndromes, and all of that in the body. So looking at these categories, we're now trying to look at how they can be able to cause paraneoplastic syndrome. We said that paraneoplastic syndrome is kind of like a complication of a tumor in the body. Do you understand? So the tumor in the body is causing a whole lot of distortion here and there. So for neurological disorders, we'll list examples of possible neurological disorders that can be able to cause paraneoplastic syndrome, and we'll also talk about their causal mechanism. So for these neurological disorders, because neurological disorders have to do with problems with the neurons, your nerve system. Examples is what? The Lambert-Eaton Myasthenic Syndrome. Alright, so usually see it result from what? Small cell lung carcinoma, and the mechanism through which this can cause paraneoplastic syndrome is through the immunologic involvement. Then for the paraneoplastic cerebellar degeneration can result from lung cancer, ovarian cancer, breast cancer. Alright, so it's also known to cause what? Paraneoplastic syndrome. Then for encephalomyelitis, alright, it can cause paraneoplastic syndrome through what? Inflammation of the brain and the spinal cord. Now some of them, their mechanism is not really known like that, you understand? So it's still a study ongoing. Then for limbic encephalitis, usually result from what? Small cell lung cancer. Small cell lung cancer, then also brain encephalitis. All right, so all of them, they are known to actually cause that paraneoplastic syndrome through inflammation of the brain and the spinal cord. Of course, that inflammation can now cause release of several unwanted things into the system, right, causing the paraneoplastic syndrome. Then well, the paraneoplastic opsoclonus, which is the involvement of the eye movement, can result from breast cancer, can result from ovarian cancer, can result from small cell lung cancer, alright, can result from neuroblastoma in children. Okay, so usually causes paraneoplastic syndrome through autoimmune reaction against RNA binding proteins. That's the NOVA 1. Okay, so for the last ones, we have what is known as the anti-NMDA receptor encephalitis. Okay, so this usually results from teratoma. Alright, result from teratoma. So there's usually autoimmune reaction against NMDA receptors subunits. That's how that one actually causes paraneoplastic syndrome. The polymyositis can result from what? Hodgkin's lymphoma, lungs cancer, bladder cancer. So they are known to actually cause paraneoplastic syndrome, but of course this is left because the mechanism is not fully understood yet.